the blockchain technology. Before I give you the common terms that we always use, I want us to look at. Where is the leader? Are you streaming live? The presentation all. I want to know whether it is being streamlined. Uh, huh, 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 huh. I want to confirm whether we are live all. Let me call someone here so that I confirm. Then okay, friends, I am back. I've been told we are live. We are streaming live. So you can share our YouTube channel to the people, and we are going to have common terms used in cryptocurrencies. And yeah, Noah has confirmed that we are live. Okay, allow me share my screen. And then we continue. Allow me share my screen and we continue. I'm sharing my screen. Noah, how are you? How is? No, you are not in Kenya. You are in the UAE. I've remembered you are in the UAE. How have you been? Who is this one? Bonavana. Is it Bonavana? Happy to see you, my brother Manje from Mubanda. This one is Mubende. This one is a powerful leader from Mubende. He is growing steadily, strongly growing team in Mubende. We are so proud of you, Coach Moses. Last Sunday we are in Mubende, and we have seen the fruits, my dear. We have seen the fruits all of last week, and then this week we have started on a good note. So Mubende is going to ask for water. I know, Mubende. Thank you so much, Coach Moses. Thank you so much, Coach Moses, for the great work done in Mubende, and everyone who is doing whatever they can in order to make the business grow. Okay, Niwamanya, happy to see you. Okrotu Joseph, it has been long since I last saw you. Now you are here. Natuha, you are most welcome. And lastly, allow me share my screen. Let me share my screen, though I saw someone writing something. Yeah, it was Noah who was telling us that we are already live. Allow me share my screen, and then we continue. I'm sharing my screen. Okay. Before we do any other thing, I want us to first understand, because we are always talking about blockchain technology, blockchain. What is a blockchain? We need to understand what it is exactly. Yes, we need to understand. I see blockchain. When we are talking about blockchain technology, what does it mean? Or technology, when we say technology, do we understand it? Okay, technology, everyone can as well understand it. In my Uganda, it doesn't have a Uganda word, but instead we say technology. I don't know about in your local language. I don't know how you call technology, but in my Uganda, it is technology. Now let's look at it, blockchain. A blockchain is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult. I want you to take this word. It's a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, to hack, or to cheat the system. That's what we call a blockchain. Blocks which are chained together, that technology makes the system very difficult for someone to make changes, for someone to hack it, for someone to cheat the system. A blockchain is essentially a digital ledger of transactions that is duplicated and distributed across the entire network of computer systems on a blockchain. So it is just basically a system. It is an unhackable system. As simple as that. When someone asks you what is a blockchain, it is just the unhackable system. Unhackable system recording information. When we talk about blockchain, people think that we only put their cryptocurrencies. No, you can put there any form of information that you are having, and you keep it there. And the moment you put it there, it will never be changed. It will never be hacked, and no one can cheat the system, because that's how the blockchain technology is. Okay. People can put their information. For example, people can put their important documents. People can store their important usernames and passwords of different things. People can put their wills. People can put their bank account information. You can put their you can put their land titles. You can put their important agreements. You can put their name. It can be academic documents. For as long as it is the information and you want to keep it intact, when you keep it on a blockchain, it will never and never be changed. It will never be hacked, and it will never be cheated. That is the blockchain technology. We have two important words here. We have block and then chain. In the context, we are actually talking about digital information. The digital information is just the block. Okay, when we say digital information, that is what we call a block, and it is stored in a public database. That is the chain. Okay, a block that is a chain. A digital information is a digital information should not be changed. What you have put there, the information you put there, you cannot reduce it. You can never and never also increase it. So what you have put there is always the final part, the final thing. So it is just a digital information. It's a block stored in a public database. That is the chain. Blocks on the blockchain are made up of digital pieces of information. Blocks on a blockchain are made up of digital pieces of information. That's what we call the blocks. Just the pieces of information. Pieces of information. For example, as you are going to make a transaction, because now we are in the crypto industry, we are going to talk much about crypto industry. When I am sending something, maybe I am sending you some dollars from my blockchain, which is where my digital exchanger is, and I'm sending it to another digital exchange where you are. You only give me your wallet address, and I send the wallet address. I just put those codes, just the codes, and I send to you. That information is never interrupted along the way. It is never decreased. It is never increased, but it will always get to you the way it is supposed to be, the digital information that I am sending. Okay, so that's why the money we are transfer is all cryptocurrencies run on a blockchain. It runs on a digital information. It is digital information that runs on a public database, that is a block. Where the blockchain is. So you people, instead of getting your wills and then your important documents that you are keeping them with the lawyer, I'm telling you, even the lawyer can change it. Don't worry. Just put it on your blockchain. Store it on your blockchain. Just store it on your blockchain, such that the day that information is needed, it is going to be gotten untouched, unchanged, and hey, you people, I'm telling you, these things are very, very serious. I have these days I have come to realize that people have become so wicked. that you can even give your will to a lawyer, and at the end of the day, the lawyer changes it. I think that's why the people came up with the blockchain technology. So that people, if you have something, you own it, and it is you, and it is you. Okay, that is, I think that is the most important thing as to why is for you to have your information unchanged and not reduced, not increased, but the way you want it. So ladies and gentlemen, I am telling you, we have seen people, you get your land title and then you keep it with someone, before you know it, someone changes it and then it gets into his name. So friends, oh, a blockchain technology, that's it. If you have understood that one, if you don't have any question about the blockchain technology, let me go back. Let me go to what we want to look at today. Today, I want us to look at the common words. Common words you hear in cryptocurrency. The investors use the things that people always use on a daily basis. Okay, let's start with these ones. I have kept them here. Cryptocurrency trading terms with their meaning. Yes, you always hear these words. You hear these words and sometimes you don't even know what it means. Now let us look at them one by one. And then we get to know, such that when you hear them again, don't be discouraged. Don't be left out. So you be in the know. First and foremost, we are talking about the cryptocurrencies, that is digital currencies or digital assets. Whereas the other money that we always hear, it is called the fiat. We are going to see it. It must be here. Now, the first word we are going to look at, it is the altcoin. Altcoin, it means that altcoin, when you see that word altcoin, it is shortened, but it is supposed to be alternative coin. Alternative coin, so the currencies that are not the Bitcoin. Any currency which is not the Bitcoin is an altcoin. Today in the morning, someone was asking me, Madam Harriet, we have seen the Bitcoin moving, it is moving, but it is moving alone. What is happening with the altcoins? We want to see altcoins. We want to see altcoins moving. When is the altcoin season coming in order for them to pump? And my answer is just simple. When we look at the Bitcoin right now, okay? When you look at the Bitcoin right now, let's go there. Let's look at the Bitcoin. Let's look at the Bitcoin shortly, and then I tell you the reason as why the alternative coins have not yet pumped. This is oh my God, Madam Harriet, what happened to your Bitcoin? A lot of things are in there. My God, Mama, look at all these lines. My Bitcoin doesn't even breathe. My Bitcoin has no breathing space. My Bitcoin has no breathing space. Why? Hey, najitaiza paka kuulira bubi. Najitaiza paka kuulira bubi. Paka kuulira bubi. This is where we are fighting from. It is because of this. Let me draw for you a line and then I show you. This is what is disturbing us here. Are you seeing this? This is what is disturbing us. You can see this point. We continue. We have this point. We have this point. Now let me change the color. Let me change the color. We have this point, we have that point, we have that point, we have that point, we have that point, we have this point. So this is what is disturbing us. There is a strong resistance here. This is strong resistance. We hit there the first time. We hit there the first time, we hit there the second, the third, and then we were the fourth, the fifth. And then if you have been following my analysis or my posts about the bit, I told you at 70 we are going to have a lot of hits. We have to have several hits there. So such that when we hit there, then our next resistance is going to be around 72. And the moment we hit 72 and then we go through it, then that will make sure, that will be meaning that we are going to hit our all-time high in order to form a new all-time high. When we hit this all-time high and we make a new all-time high, which means people's focus on Bitcoin will reduce. Right now, as what we are seeing, all eyes are on Bitcoin. All eyes are on the Bitcoin, and everyone is rushing to buy the Bitcoin. No way, dollar Bitcoin. No watch, no watch, no watch. But the moment it hits the 73 all-time high, that's when everyone will say, "Oh my God, it has made it! It has made it! It has made it!" Now people will start saying, "Aha! Now I can take my profit." Because if someone entered the Bitcoin when it's here, when it is at 53 here, and then when it moves and then it goes to 73 here, there is no need of someone not to take profit. The moment they start taking profit, then everyone will say, now the Bitcoin has done it. Now it is time to look at alternative coins. That's when we shall see embaga ya altcoins starting. Though we are having this, for those ones who started with me, the Gatli predictor is predicting that the Bitcoin, however much it is up here, it is predicting that it might go down and it hits 52. There is a support there. Remember, before I was talking about that support. Okay, I was talking about that support. Now, according to technical analysis, the indicators, they are showing that the Bitcoin at some point it is going to come to 5,700. Though it is not a guarantee that it will come there, because we have fundamental analysis. According to the fundamentals that are prevailing, that are happening right now, technical analysis we may not be fulfilled, and then we go with fundamental analysis. What is technical analysis? Technical analysis, those are the technicalities or the terminologies that we use while we are doing the market analysis. I'm looking at this support and resistance, I'm looking at this indicator. So this movie, fundamental analysis, that is all about news. Which news is around the cryptocurrency? Which news is around the cryptocurrency? Now, for like we had the Bitcoin council news. It drove. It is by the way, it is still driving. First and foremost, we had Trump there. Trump came into that conference. We saw Cathy Woods. We saw Saida, that man for MicroStrategy. Those people, they were there. All those people are influential people. We expected Elon Musk to be in that conference. We don't know whether he will come in the last days, but that is fundamental. So when the fundamental news are there, and there are so many, they can drive the market, and then it will even not look at what the fundamentals, what the technical analysis is saying. So I am looking at this, what the predictor is predicting, but again, I am looking at the fundamentals happening might not allow it to go there. So it is going to move downwards, because this pump, like for today, it tried to move upwards and then it went to 70. Then from there, because there were a lot of, has been the liquidation area. Liquidation, okay, I'm going to talk about the liquidation, okay. I think we have understood something. Have you understood something there out? So today wali kukyatulese ekya terms nsobola okweyongerayo. Bameka abantegedde muliwa nsobola okweyongerayo. No one tegedde. No one's understood. Takunya has understood. Manya Abson has understood. Chista has understood. Margo has understood. And the others. And even the others have understood me. But today, our terms. Chizito Bakari, you are most welcome. And he has understood. Let's go back to here. I was telling you that altcoins, that any cryptocurrency which is not Bitcoin, all others are alternative coins. Then we have ash drift. That is a situation where you have lost all your money. As my dear, when you hear, so and so was ash drift, is ash drift, or I am ash drift. What does it mean? It's a situation when you have lost all your money in the industry. This one happens so much to those people who are trading futures in crypto. Trading futures, it means you are trading values. You are trading values of currencies or values of assets. For us who are doing spot trading, we are not trading values. With the spot trading, we are buying assets which have values, which are attached to a value. So even if the value goes down, we don't lose. But people who are trading values, when the value goes down, it means they are losing it. They have lost it, and at the end of the day, they get liquidated. Now I get to the point where I can as well explain what liquidation means. Friends, give me a minute. Hello, hello. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Are you still here? Bannange mukyaliwo oba mwandeseewo dda? Muliwa. Oh, okay, they are here. Hey, Noah. What's okubeera active, Noah? Hey, even Livingston is here. Oh, Mr. Magara Silva from Umbarara. Happy to see you. Kilungi Shira. Then another one. Who is this one? Niwamanya Natuha. Okro today. David Gonda. Okay, each and everyone is here. Hey, people from near and far. Okro, where are you based? Where are you in the east? Are you in the north? Where are you? Okrut. Where are you? Okay, I see Onyaiti. I see Nambafu. I see Sewa. I see only Sewa. Habib. Is this leader Habib? The blessed Habib. Could you be the one? I see David. Leader Habib, could you be the one? Blessed Habib.
I'm the one, Madam Harriet.
Hey, Mama. Yeah. Long time. Happy to have you here. Okay, happy to have you here. Let's go back. So I was telling you, friends, that can you see my screen? Are you seeing my screen, friends? Someone let me know if you are seeing my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I was telling you, I should direct that is a situation when you have lost all your money. So people who trade futures for values of the fiat money, they lose all. You trade, you start a trade and then it goes negative 100%. If you don't have anything to add it can even go. The moment it does negative 100% and you don't have what to add, before you know it, you will see the account blinking red, meaning you have been wrecked, meaning you have been liquidated. You have lost all your money. That's what it means. Then we have a bag holder. A bag holder is a person who buys and holds coins in large quantity, hoping to make good profits in the future. a bag holder. Now, like we have been seeing people like 2-3 weeks ago, it was Germany. Germany is a bag holder. We have these other people. We have the this micro strategy. We have of late we have been having empty goats. We have those people. Oh, we call them the whales. If you don't call if you don't people who come when they come to buy BTC, they buy 1,000 BTC and above. You don't have even a bit. You don't have bits of 0.0001 BTC. You don't have them, but they have people or they are companies who are owning 1,000 Bitcoin. Just imagine one person. Now just imagine having 1,000 BTC, meaning that is 1,000 times the 7,000 US dollars. That is how rich they are. Remember, only holding also have other holder. If you don't want to call that person a bag holder, then you can call that person a whale. Next, we have bear or bearish. That is a negative price movement. When the market is going red, when the market is going down, that is a bearish movement. It is a negative price movement, whereas the opposite of bearish is bullish, and it is down here. Bullish is down here. Bearish is negative. Then bullish is positive. Bearish is red. Bullish is green. So the moment you see the market is red, just say, oh, the market is too bearish. When you are moving around, just say, the market is bearish. So if someone doesn't know much, it's over what are they talking about. Then if someone has ever heard about crypto and say, the market is bearish, someone is this person is knowledgeable. Instead of saying, abanga akatale ka ready, don't say the market has gone to no. Just say the market is bearish. And then when it goes to green, just say, today you people, I'm bullish. I'm very bullish. The way I am, you by the about the market. Me, I'm very, very bullish. This July is ended. Now August, I am bullish. Yes, I am too bullish. If you didn't know, let me show you something here. If you think I am lying, let me show you if I am lying. And always check your fuel. See, they are even demanding me. What do I mean? Have I been making the money? Yes. This is trending. You know, there are people who say, when we trade, they are the ones who are making money. We also trade. I also trade, you people. On the 30th, I've already made my 60,000, you see. So you people, even if you don't trade, I already have my 6,000. Today, I made my money. It is here. I made 38,000. Did I make any money yesterday? Let me check. Yesterday, did I make money? Yes, I made. Yesterday, 28th, I made. The other day, yes, I made. Even the other day, and the other day, and the other day. This is the 3R. 3R. The 3R, regular, repeated, recurring. I am there. I don't want to earn 100 on Monday, and then I spend more 2 weeks without earning. Njagala biri regular. Regular, regular. For me, I'm not spicy Diana. I'm still regular. I am regular. You check. 21st. 26th. 21st. Mama. To hell with you. Never come back. 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th. 27th. Hey, 27th. I'm about to curse you. Now, hey, it's okay. 9. Still average. I'm still averaging. Okay. 9. This one has just started. The day is still young. Very, very young. Okay. Let me get back. Shall we finish these ones? So friends, I also trade and the robot is making my money regular, repeatedly, and it is recurring. It is going to happen for very many years. Okay, let's continue. We have BTFD, that is buy the fucking dip. It is an indication to buy a coin when it has dumped so hard. Today the Bitcoin here because naked. Okay? If you want to buy the Bitcoin, you see, because this movement here, it is by the fucking dip. It has done it, because not only the Bitcoin, do we have other coins that have done it? Let us see. Has the BNB done it? There, you see, oh my God. Most of the coins are having a Gatli predictor. You see, the BNB has done it. It has done it. Buy here, buy margin calls. If it is to move up to here, when you have bought over 25 margin calls, then it starts moving, and then you sell, and then we go home jumping and then laughing. Then we saying that it's not bullish. Me, I am bullish. I continue. Tutegede BTFD done. Bullish najogede da. Dildo is long green or long red. When the candle is too long, it is a dildo. It is a dildo. Najidabawa. Let me show you a dildo. A dildo. Yin. That one is a dildo. Let me look for another dildo. We have this one. That one is there. Let me go to the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is single okulaga H2. Today it went to 7 and now it is back to 67. Can you imagine? There is a day when it made a dildo. This was this is a huge movement, but we have one dildo here. A dildo, so we cut the long story short because we still have other things to say. It is a long green or red candle. Then a dump is to sell off a coin. When people start selling off a coin, they are the ones that cause a dildo. When people are buying so many, and then it means it is a dildo which is long green. Long red, it means that is a dump. You buy and then it gets dumped. Let me show you. There is a coin that I saw on an exchange called Mexi. That coin, it is called a phantom. Not the phantom that we know. There is another one that I found here. They had just listed it, and then I bought it, and then do you know what happened? This thing moved. I bought it when it was having how many zeros? It was having 4 zeros. So ever since I bought it with $9. Then it made me around $170. So what I did, I took away some money, and then I remained with it. I left there $11. When it was having how many zeros? 4 zeros. Ever since I left there at the $11, this thing has been dumping. It has been dumped now 11 zeros. And let me show you my $11. It is here. Let me show you my $11. My $11. My $11. It is here. Now my $11 is zero 4 zeros 2 1. That was a pump and dump. Pump is going up and then dumping is coming down. A huge sell off of a coin, that is a dump, while a huge buy. Netambula, you see a coin moving from 0% and it goes to 1000%. That is a pump. Then a dump is to sell off. Then dumping downward price movement. Then DYOR. Do your own research. We always see this word. We always see this word. DYOR. Do your own research. We are in a business. Don't just rely on what Madam Harriet is saying. Don't just rely on what the leaders say. At some point, you also get somewhere, get some time, go to the internet, go to the Google, and then read. Do your own research such that you are in the know. That is DYOR. Okay. Then we have FF, fundamental analysis, whereas formal, fear of missing out. You see the coin is pumping and it is pumping, and then you get the feeling it's gonna pump, it is going to go so high. Then you stop, you buy it. When you buy it when it is at high, as soon as you buy it starts going down. That's what happened to me with the phantom that I have shown you. But I had made some money from it. Sako sikozelos, sikozelos, nateka you profit, okay? So I forward after making 170. I remember, I'm going to miss out. It might be still going up. No duka no jiguna. There is a day when I saw when the MDX was going to be listed, some people were like, they sold at a loss. Then the next day it started pumping, and everyone maybe maybe I buy it again. So that is formal fear of missing out. Fear of missing out. Whereas we have FAD. FAD is fear of uncertainty and doubt. This is what happens when the market is going down. People are in fear. They don't know what is going to happen. So that's when FAD happens. And then people start making panic mistakes. People, they start panicking. They make panic sales. They make mistakes here and there. That is FAD, fear of uncertainty and doubt. Whereas when the market is going up, people start formaling. They start fear of missing out. But I think as you buy now, nekirira nawe ate n'otandika FAD, fear of uncertainty. What is going to happen? Ngekiridde nnyo banange akulonga eruddeyo masa tebagenda gidilistinga anze kanjirenga njitunda njivemu. That is FAD. Then we have HODL. That is holding a position. That word was supposed to be hold, but there is a certain trader who was, they say he was drunk, and then they call him a drunkard trader, who said instead of saying holding, he said hodling. So that's where it came from. But it is the word hold. To hold is to keep on a position. You know, in trading, every time you buy, or every time you put in a trade, so that trade you have put in, if you have bought of $20, it is a position. It is a position. I have put in a position. I have in 3 positions. I have put in 5 positions. So those all maybe with our royal for it calls it a margin calls. But in the trading, then your general trading, they are called positions. So if you buy a certain trade, if you put in a certain position and you keep it for a long time, you hold on to it, you keep it. That is holding, is just keeping. Because if I say you hold it again, it means we have not defined the word hold. Though it is hodl, but it is holding. So hodl, you can also give it we can make it full and then say holding onto your dear life. It means you keep it something until paka kuwulira bubi. That's what it means, holding. So that's why I always tell you, if you are to hold, if you are to say I am holding, keep that for 6 months and above. If you don't keep it for 6 months and above, that is not holding. That is not holding. People hold for years. They are holding on to their dear life. Hey, then there is joy of missing out. That is, there are people who say, it is okay, I didn't enter into that coin. You see, I saw people getting excited, and then for me, I did not get into it. Now you see, they have lost it. Maybe it has been delisted. Now they have had this. Maybe this one has happened. So that is joy of missing out. Whereas long is margin bull position. Along, for people who are trading futures, and then who are trading basically for people who are trading futures, they have their terms. It is long and short, and even people who are trading forex, People are trading says values of currencies, of currencies, the other currencies, the paper money, and then so on. So they are calling them positions. They have long and short. Long and short. That is, short is for buying, while long is it for selling? They have what they call them. So I'm not so well conversant with that, the long and short. But that is a margin bull. Long is for buying because it is marginal bull position. Then we have MCAP, that is market capitalization. Market capitalization, that is the total amount of money, the volumes of money in a certain coin. So you can understand those ones when you go to the coins market cap. When you go to the coins market cap, I always open the search engine as these are called the search engines, the coins market cap, and then the coin gecko. Let me give the coin gecko because the coin gecko gives so much, gives better what? Better. You see, market cap. So market cap is the market capitalization. When you look at BTC, it is having how much? What is its capitalization? This is thousand, million, billion, trillion. So the total volume of money in BTC, the whole world, is 1.3 trillion. 1.3 trillion. Then with the next one is Ethereum. It has 398 billion. USDT 114 billion. Then Solana 86 billion. Eh? Then BNB next 84 billion. You people, there is a lot of money in Solana. If you don't have a Solana, please buy a piece of it. Or even it is still buyable, it is still affordable, $170. You can buy one Solana and keep it for 4 years. You will see. There is a lot of money in XRP. Okay, if you cannot afford Solana, buy an XRP. Buy XRP. It has 33 billion. And it is still cheap. It is at 0.6. Even with your $1, you'll get a one XRP at 1.5 or 1.2 XRP. Be with one XRP. Keep it for 5 years. I'm telling you, one day, one time, you will see something. You can put there one hold that hold. Whereas the total market cap, the global market cap for crypto, it is 2.5 trillion. I don't know how to say that word, but mama, trillion. Continue, Madam Harriet, continue. We have this one, moon, and then we say, we are mooning, that is continuous upward of prices, and then say we are mooning. When you see now, I give you one coin that has been mooning. That is the 1,000 sats. 1,000 sats, let me tell you people, 1,000 sats is moving. It is not even stopping. It is just moving. Era if you don't have a 1,000 sats, kakati gwe simanyi biki byoliko. If you don't have a 1,000 sats and you're not trading it on cycle, nze simanyi kikyokola munnange. You need it. You need a 1,000 sats. A 1,000 sats. You see this 1,000 sats from, let me put there a price range. Let me put there a price range, a debt price range, and twagala kumanya. From here, how long has it taken it from here? And then it has moved up to the highest. In 21 days, okay? In 21 days. 21 days. You see? You are seeing it? It's 21 days. This the 1,000 sats moved 210%. It has made 126 bars, and the trading volume has been 9.866 trillion of 1,000 sats, not dollars, 1,000 sats. That's what it has moved in 21 days. So in 21 days, if you have made 210%, remember we told you people in our business you can make, we told you when you are trading you can make between 10 and 30%. But in 21 days, it's not yet even a month. A coin has made 210%. So even if you have not made all the 200% and you have made 50% out of it, if you have been using $500 to trade and then you make 50%, it means you have another $250. The next month we're going to $750. As simple. You people, in the beginning when we had just started, even I could ask myself, is it true? Is it possible? But it is possible. Let me show you. Let me show you. Today is the 30th. If I can as well show you from 1st of July. From 1st of July. If I can as well say from 1st of July, then I did not make any money up to 11. In 1,000 sats, by the way, I've been trading only 1,000 sats this month. This is $1, $2, $8, 14, 4, 12, 17, 57, 30, 27, 55, 7, 8, 0.8, 21st, to hell with you, 16, 10, 19, 27, 23, 9, 15, 10, now 1. How much money is that? Let me come and I ask you people. Can we calculate? Muliwa, where are you? Can we calculate it or chimala chenda zeko?
Chimala.
Chimala. So which means the between 10 and 30% that we always tell you is very, very possible. Very, 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 very possible. Very, very possible. Don't long for taking too big profits. Let it be regular, repeating, and it is recurring. OTC over the counter, that one we use it, we have it even in the shops, even in the supermarkets, that one is over the counter. That is paying while at the counter, paying cash at the counter. Then we have pump, that is upward price movement. That pump is the opposite of dump. We have the surge candle. It is a huge green candle. It is a surge candle. Then we have a shit coin, a coin with no potential value or use. Pump and dump. Pump and dump. It pumps 10,000. It pumps 15,000% in 2 days. After a week, it is at 0. It goes down. It goes down. How many? It goes down 100%. Before you know it, the next 2 weeks you are not seeing it anywhere on an exchanger. It is called a pump and dump. If you want me to show you, they are here. Here on this exchanger called the Mexi. You come at its home, and then when you come home, you come here and then just say gainers. Just come and look at gainers. Now this one today, it has moved 1,113%. This one has moved 426%, 200. So they have moved. You will find here coins that have moved 50% in just 1 day. But you come back to look for it after 2 weeks, and it is nowhere to be done. That one is a shit coin. So a coin which is not having any what? Any what? Any hope that you have, and it has no value. By shit coin. Good enough in what? In Royal Q, we don't have them. We don't have shit coins. Then we have short, that is margin bear market. That short, that is the opposite of long. Long, we saw it was margin bull position. Then we have swing. A swing, that is a zigzag price movement. That is for those ones whom I taught types of market. That is a sideways market. It is not going up, it is not going down. So it is just moving within the support and resistance. That is, I would say, the market is in swing. We are in swing, even now, swing. Yeah, and then we have TA. I told you that is technical analysis. We have wrecked when you have a bad loss. A bad loss. For example, I give you one example of a bad loss. A coin gets a coin gets delisted when you are not there, then you don't get the information. By the time you get to check, it has already dumped, and then you make that loss. Or even you don't know what you were doing, and then accidentally you click to sell, and then you accidentally click to sure, and then it's sold at a loss. That is erect. I say you have been a bad, that has been a bad loss. You have been wrecked. Then reverse indicator, someone who is always wrong predicting price movements. Abagamba tugenda waggulu ng'ate nebitambula nga bidda mabega. So if you predict the market to go down, ate netambula ng'edda waggulu. So many times people who are trading futures and then fiat, they always get this reverse indicator. They expect the gold to go this way, it instead goes this way, and then people's money is lost. They expect it to come down, and then instead it goes up. That one is the reverse indicator. Then we have RSI, relative strength index. It is a what? It is an indicator. We studied about it. Then we have the whale. A whale is also a bag holder. We saw a bag holder is also a whale. And then we have DCA. DCA is dollar cost average. It's breaking of your capital into segments to invest at irregular intervals. Kakati, this one is so common in trading, but in our royal queue, those are the margin calls. Trading with margin calls. People who are trading without the robot, for them they do it themselves. Nagamba akati anaguze when it is here, when it reaches, when it goes down here, ngenda kuddamu ngwe naga akakati erabikese, let me buy again, puts another position, okay, let me buy again. For us, we are so lucky the robot does it for ourselves. So we are doing dollar costing average with the robot through the margin calls. Ladies and gentlemen, it is already 9 p.m. We still have more. What? We still have more terms that I'm not going to go through today. These ones will be for tomorrow. So don't miss tomorrow. Tomorrow again at 8 p.m. I'll be teaching these ones: the wallet, the exchanger, the address, the altcoin, and so on and so on and so forth. And so on. That will be for tomorrow. Thank you so much for listening to me. Unless if you have a question, please let me know before I go away. Thank you so much for listening to me. Let's meet again tomorrow. See you then. Bye-bye.